haven't whipped up breakfast in a long time, so we're gonna whip up breakfast for this one. We're gonna have eggs and bacon. Yeah. Let me whip up this breakfast real quick. So I made some eggs and I tried to make pancakes. I don't really like making pancakes. I like pancakes, but I'm not the greatest. My grandma makes some really good thick buttermilk pancakes. These are just thin flapjacks. Bacon didn't last. Don't tell Malia, she just woke up, so shh. This is what kids do nowadays. Is this Roblox?
Yeah. So you have to Roblox them.
Yep, that's why we're definitely going on an adventure. And the way it's looking outside, we might be able to hit the real spot where we plan on going. All right, we made it to our destination. We've only been here one time before. This was our most epic adventure last year, so we're gonna have to do it again. This one is intense, so
I'm not ready.
hold on to your diapers, babies, because last time it was intense. We went in like the fall. Now it's summer, so I'm curious how it's going to look. It's probably going to be totally different. We went, leaves were falling, but I'm curious to see what it looks like now and how busy the trail is. But it's a hidden waterfall deep down this path. Yeah, we all fell. So hopefully we can keep our balance, but if not, oh well, it's all part of the adventure. So we ate a hearty breakfast, so we should have the energy to make it through and come back. Let's get out there. All right, I got this new setup, I forgot I had a monopod, and I'm gonna use it as a hiking stick and whatnot to venture through. Hopefully I don't fall, but we got this. Last time we came here, I didn't have this camera either. I'm trying to do a minimal light carry with just the Osmo Pocket 3 and my Fuji film camera. But here we go.
Look at that. This is that. Oh, dude, that's neat. Be careful of that slip. I tried to.
All right, there's the creek. It looks a lot drier than last time. I think we could be totally wrong, but it does look drier. See, here's where I think we had to be careful and get in the water. A bug flew in my mouth. No, it hit me in the back of the throat. I don't know. I didn't see it go in my mouth. So we're gonna have to climb over this tree and walk up there. And be very careful because this stuff is kind of slippery. So no horsing around.
Okay, we good?
Yeah, this way.
Okay. Our job. Now you have. Wait, you can. There's a little fall.
I think he's bound to get wet anyway, so. But why not stay dry as long as you can? We try. It is a lot drier than it was before.
Oh my goodness, I'm gonna start.
Just finding the right rock to step on.
I'm not stepping on no rocks. See? I don't want to step on a rock. Just walk through it. Daddy, what's this for you?
Someone made a cool little house right
Go
here.
in it?
Yeah. It looks like a jungle.
This has to have a file. And jail.
Wow, someone really.
Ready? Oh no. That's.
Someone made this cool little path to cross.
This is really not that
Oh, we just keep getting bugs in the noses and the back of the throats. We got a lot of protein today. Yeah. Just last time, the paths were a lot easier to get through because it was fall. Stuff's overgrown right now, so it looks like we're gonna have to stay in the water. I was trying to avoid it. Bugs in the ear. You gotta be built different to take on these terrains. I wonder if we should do bug spray and stuff like that, but you know, being a dad, we don't really think about this stuff. I should. Just back up a little bit so I don't hit you with my stick.
Can I go through?
That one.
Whoa.
Yeah, that was the one. Step on that big one. Or yeah, you did it.
Yeah, but sure, sure.
Oh boy, how do we make it across this? Might have to jump in and swim. We're gonna have to try to climb across that wall over there.
No, we don't. I am.
Cause I think like the rope to climb down is over there. So you could follow my lead.
No,
All right. We gotta go under.
No.
Yeah.
How?
I need to get past you. Yeah, that's the way. Hopefully I can get down low enough. These rocks are probably slippery, Pumpkin. If you want, you can hold the back of this stick.
But we have to make sure
You good? All right. Good. Take my hand. All right, we're here. We're in. Ooh, I stink. I smell like pumpkin on a... Or maybe I'm smelling pumpkin.
It's my armpits.
Oh, yeah, that's not me. That's you, Pumpkin.
He was like flying for a second.
Yeah. It feels like such an accomplishment when you make it to the end of this trail, just to, because the payoff of that waterfall is epic. These guys are always helping each other out. That's pretty good. Malia said, forget that. Beautiful. Just looks beautiful. All right, our socks are beyond soaked. What?
There's a turtle.
Oh, it's dead. That's what we're smelling. It's a dead snapping turtle.
Wait, there's snapping turtles here?
It's dead.
Is every snapping turtle dead?
Ooh, back up away from it. Don't go near it.
I'm scared of that thing.
That's probably what we're smelling.
I don't like it. Are you sure it's dead?
I'm positive.
I don't like it. Get away from it. I'm going.
The flies are eating it.
Even the shell?
Well, the shell decomposed on its own.
Could there be more snapping turtles?
They wouldn't be out in the open like this. Look at how the water, like,
The waves going.
yeah.
I like how that. Then look at your shoes when the.
Oh, shoot.
What's happening?
Rocks are falling down from up there.
Is that bad?
Yeah.
Bad news?
Yeah, we should get out of this area. Keep going forward. Look out for falling rocks.
I repeat, look out for falling rocks.
Yeah.
If it hits you in the noggin, then.
See, we are in deep in the water.
All the way up there. Yeah, and they really could hurt you.
Yeah.
Things are being weird going on.
We're close to the waterfall. I feel like we got here a lot quicker than we did last time. We're getting there, guys. Once we get up here, we'll take a break. But yeah, this is like the most epic. I think because we're in the water, that's what makes it so. I wonder what the best shoes to wear in this kind of adventure would be, where we're bound to get wet. Yeah, this waterfall's no joke. It's pretty cool because we're like right at the bottom of it. All right, here's the waterfall. Let's get the epic view. Here we go, I'm gonna turn you around. Take a look at this.
It's wonderful.
Bam, there it is. That's the whole, what we traveled for.
That is a green.
Just like the pool.
Yeah. It is a pool? Can we swim in it?
Ah, this is beautiful. All this traveling. What do you think of it, guys? You like it? Is it worth it?
Yes. Even though we saw it before.
It's like a mile to get here, I think.
That's good.
Yeah. All right, now on the way back, I'm gonna be in photography mode and just take pictures. But, all right, let me get some pictures of this bad mama jamma. All right, we made it to the park. Well, back to where we were. It was probably like two miles and some change. The kids really enjoyed themselves. Socks are soaked. What? All right. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, one of the best trips right there. Warsaw Hidden Waterfalls. I don't even know what it's called, but it's a cool place to go. I should start leaving descriptions or links to how to get to these places if you live in Western New York, so you can try to get there yourself. It would be cool too. I always think about like going on a group adventure with a bunch of people, but I don't know. It's kind of, as you can see, this is a risk. Like, I don't want to be responsible for someone falling or getting hurt. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Other than that, over and out. Whew.